this has probably happened to you. You need to open a Word document, make a table in Excel, or prepare a PowerPoint presentation. But your computer doesn't have Microsoft Office installed, or an error appears that when you make any movement, it closes your Office. So you start searching online, and all you find are shady websites, weird tutorials, or cracks that honestly don't feel safe. The good news is that today I'll show you how to download and install Office 2024 directly from Microsoft. Clean, official, no cracks, no viruses, and no subscriptions. Stay until the end, because with this method you'll have Office running in just a few minutes. The first thing we need to do is remove any version of Office currently installed on the computer. To do that, go to the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open Uninstall a Program. Now, look through the list for anything that says Microsoft Office. Whichever one you see with that name, go ahead and uninstall it. Once you've removed everything related to Office, then we're going to one of the links I'll leave here in the video description. Let's start with the first one. This tool comes directly from Microsoft's official Office site. The link is config.office.com. I'll paste it here, and you can do the same by copying it from the video description. Enter the page just like I'm doing. Once inside, click Create. Under Architecture, select 64 bits. Then under Office Suites, choose the one that says Office LTSC Professional plus 2024 volume license. If by the time you're watching this tutorial a newer version appears, like 2025 or 2026, don't worry, just select that one. The important part is that it says Office LTSC Professional Plus. Next, go to the Applications section. Here you can decide which apps to install. I recommend choosing only the ones you actually need, because if you leave them all selected, the installation will take longer and use up more space on your computer. In my case, I only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So I'll uncheck Access, OneNote, and the rest. I'll just keep those three. Then click Next. For languages, select English United States. Then click Next, scroll down, and click Export. Select Office formats. Open XML. Accept. Then accept the license agreement terms. Now just export it. I recommend saving it on your desktop. Or even better, creating a dedicated folder. For example, right-click on the desktop, New Folder, and name it Office, or whatever you like, but Office is the simplest. Open that folder and save your configuration file there. Done. Now our file is saved. The second step is going to the next link, Office Deployment Tool. You'll also find it in the video description. Copy it, paste it into your browser, and click Download. Save it inside the same Office folder you just created. Save it, and done. Now go to that folder called Office, or the folder that you created previously, where we now have both files. Open Office Deployment Tool and run it as administrator. Right-click, then Run as administrator. Accept the license terms. Then it will ask where to extract the files. Choose the same Office folder. Click Accept, Accept again, and done. The files are now extracted. Next, go to the Start menu and type Command Prompt. Open it, and we'll place the path to our folder. To get the path, just click on the folder name at the top, copy the address, and then paste it into Command Prompt. Type cd space, right-click, and the path will appear. Press Enter, and now we're inside the Office folder. Now, go back to the links, copy the command, right-click, then copy. Paste it into Command Prompt, press Enter, and a Microsoft window will pop up, showing that Office is about to be installed. Now it's just a matter of waiting. Once it finishes, click Close. You can close Command Prompt and the folder too. Finally, go to the Start menu, type Word, and that's it. Office 2024 is now installed on your computer. Thanks for watching. If this works for you, subscribe, please, and see you in the next video. Bless.